In this video, I will show you exactly how to get an American phone number with Google Voice when not living in the United States. Personally, I live in Europe, and as you can see right here, I got access to Google Voice with this American phone number. I can use this phone number to call other people, to receive verification codes, and even to access US only services. Now normally, Google Voice is only available in the United States, and when trying to get your number, you most likely see this page. Google Voice isn't available, sorry. Google Voice isn't supported in your country yet. Now I will take you step by step on how to bypass this issue and still get your US phone number without any trouble. But please note that this process is very specific and it's crucial that you're not skipping any of the steps I'm showing you in this video. Let's just get started straight away, and again, as I said, when we go to the website of Google Voice and we click on the link and we go to for personal use and select web, indeed, we get the message that Google Voice isn't available. Now this is for two reasons. One of the reasons is because we do not have a US IP address, and the second reason is that our Google account is also not US based. So the first step what we need to do, we need to download a VPN. I actually tried all of the free VPNs right here in the Chrome Web Store and absolutely none of them work. Now the only VPN that this worked with for me was NordVPN. And as you can see, I have it installed right here as well, and I can connect it to the United States right here. For NordVPN, I will leave a link down in the description as well for a 73% discount, but this is the only thing that has worked. Once you got your VPN installed on Chrome, you want to configure this, you want to go to the three dots at the side and click Manage Extension, and right here make sure that this button is toggled on, Allow an Incognito. So this actually allows us to use NordVPN inside incognito, and that's also the next thing we're going to do. We're going to the corner right here and then click on New Incognito Window, and right here make sure that the VPN is still turned on, and then here we want to type in Google Voice once again. Then from here we click on Google Voice. Now again we select for personal use and select web, and then from here we need to sign in with our account. Now I recommend you to use an old account or create a new one from scratch, which is what I am going to do. So I'm going to select for my personal use. Then I'm going to fill in this and click next, and then we click next once again, and we create our email. And once you've done that, you can click next once again and create a password. There we go. And now we get this question where you need to enter in a US phone number to verify the account. Now, many people got stuck here, but what you want to do for that is you want to go to this website called smscodes.io, just like that. And then in here, you want to create an account because this is where we can receive SMS codes. So simply create your account. I already have one, so I'll log in. Okay, there we go. Then we want to go to SMS verifications, click on get code, and type in Google right here and hit find service. Then from here you simply click on get code on Google, and now we want to select a phone number country, which obviously is the United States +1, and it's gonna cost $2 to receive the SMS. And now you want to copy this phone number and paste it in right here and then hit next. Now a 6-digit verification code will be sent right here, and it will be shown right here as an SMS message. And there we go, it just received. So we copy this, we go back, paste in the code and click on next once again. Now I'm gonna skip this part right here. This is our test email, I'm gonna copy that just to be sure. Click next once again, I agree, confirm, there we go. Okay, then after that, you can ask for recovery information. So I'm just gonna click cancel right here. And also I'm not gonna set a home address. I'm just simply gonna click skip. And then there we go. We now get the message, welcome to Google Voice, because Google now thinks that we have a US phone number already linked to our US account we just created, and we're using the VPN that actually works. So from here we can click continue, and then we can select the Google Voice number based on a city or area code. So for example, I can type in Miami and it's going to show available numbers, and there are no available numbers right here, but I can also just choose one of the nearby cities, for example Union City in, I believe, New Jersey, so I can select that. And then for example we have the New York City number right here, so I can click select, and I'm claiming this US number. Okay, now we need to verify this because it says to complete setup and start using Google Voice, you need to verify your existing phone number. Now obviously we do not have an existing phone number already based in the US, but for that we can use SMS codes once again. So what we can now do is go back to the homepage, go to get codes, and now type in Google Voice, just like that, and hit find service. Okay, then it brings us to Google Voice straight away. Now we obviously want to select the country, United States once again, and it's gonna cost a little more. and I'm gonna copy this number right here, go back, paste it in here and click send code. And I was gonna send the code once again. Here we go. So it's gonna take a couple of seconds once again. And as you can see, we just got the code right here. So I'm gonna copy this, go back to Google Voice and paste it in. There we go, and then we click verify, and there we go. Now this phone number has been successfully linked to your account. It will ring when someone calls your Google Voice number. Now we are absolutely not done yet because we need to configure this, because right now if someone calls our Google Voice number, they will ring this fake number, so you cannot actually pick it up. So we have to configure this the right way. For that we click finish. Then you want to go to the homepage by simply clicking the Google Voice logo, go to settings right here. Then first off we want to go to calls, and then it says here call forwarding, turn on the linked numbers you want to forward calls to, disable this, that's very important. And also this one, always use my phone to place calls, also disable that one. Okay, then we scroll down. Now right here you can add a balance, so you can add money onto your account, so you can actually start calling people abroad. Obviously calling people within the US with your US phone number and Canada is totally free, and it's also free of charge to actually receive calls or verification emails, things like that. So this is all set up correctly right now. I will show you also how to set this up for your phone, because that's much easier, right? You don't want to call from your PC, you want to call from your phone. So the first thing that I did is also download NordVPN on here and make sure that you're connected to the United States. I'm currently connected to Atlanta. Then go to the App Store and also log in to the same account you just created from Google. Go to search right here and then simply type in Google Voice. And then you want to download the app as well on your phone. I already did it, as you can see, so I simply click open. And right here, this is how I'm using the phone number. So we can go here, as you can see, I got almost $10 in credit. These are all the people that I called or called me, all within the United States. Here are the verifications I received. For example, here I received Google verification. I'm also creating a lot of US-based accounts for software, and it's overall super useful, right? As you can see, Google Voice, blah, blah, blah. Also, when we go to settings, I configured it the same way. This right here is my Google Voice number. I'm probably gonna blur this number because I'm using it myself. Then also I enable forward message to email. So anytime someone calls me and I don't have my phone with me, that means that I get the notification through email. And also here, what's important on your phone, make sure that you select prefer Wi-Fi and mobile data. So that means when someone calls you or you call him, it's going through Wi-Fi or data and not to carrier only, because the carrier doesn't work as we use the temporary number, right? Also incoming calls, as you can see, I can enable them both on the phone, I have it right now, and the web version I just showed you previously. And that's pretty much how it works. You now have your own Google Voice number you can use to receive calls, to receive SMS, to call other people, and to do everything that wasn't possible without the US phone number. Now, in case you still have any questions about the setup or you're stuck at a part, please let me know down in the comments below, because it does still work. Also, if it worked for you, please let me know down as well so other people can see that it still works. But with all of that being said, have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.